Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make idli and sambar. Idli and sambar are both one of the best breakfast in India, especially in South India. Today I am doing Rava Idli and plain sambar. For the idli, I take a idli steamer and applying oil into the idli mold. Then pour the batter into each idli mold. For the batter, I took 1 cup of rava, half cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon salt and chana dal. In a bowl, I mix all and set it aside for 30 minutes to allow the batter to ferment. Place the steamer on medium heat and allow the idlis to cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Once cooked, remove the idlis from the steamer. Now I am going to prepare a sambar. It's a plain sambar. I am taking a pan and adding oil, then cumin seed, then onion. I am adding ginger, garlic and chili paste. Adding salt, then coriander powder, adding sambar powder and mix it properly. I'm adding the cooked tur dal to the pan and stir to combine. First I cook tur dal in pressure cooker. Add 2 cups of water. And salt as per taste, adding sambar powder and mix it properly. Allow the sambar to simmer for 6 to 7 minutes, adding sambar powder and mix it properly. Lastly, I added coriander. And there you have it, a delicious and classic South Indian idli and plain sambar. Give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to give this video a thumb and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.